How to reset media services on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the main settings page, we scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Developer. If you do not have Developer, you can go into Privacy and Security, then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Developer Mode. In here, switch on Developer Mode. Then we go back into Settings and tap on Developer. After that, scroll down, then tap on Reset Media Services. And in here, you can choose what you want to reset. So you can reset all media services. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.